Welcome students. To show up our classes. So this question is from 2022 ISI B.Stat paper. So the question number 6 is saying that consider a sequence P1 and P2 of points in the plane such that P1, P2, P3 are non-collinear, and for every n greater than 4, Pn is the midpoint of the line segment joining this Pn minus 2 and Pn minus 3. So let L denote the line segment joining P1 and P5. So you have to prove the following, where the area of the triangle formed by the points Pn, Pn minus 1, Pn minus 2 converges to 0 as n goes to infinity, and the point P9 lies on n. Okay, P9 lies on n. So first we can see that this points, the sequence of points such as this Pn, Pn minus 2 and Pn minus 3, and that corresponding position vector will be Pn, Pn minus 2, Pn minus 3. Okay. So we know that Pn is the midpoint of Pn minus 2 and Pn minus 3. Okay. So we have this Pn equal to this. Now an L denote the line segment joining the P1 and P5. So we can consider that if these 2 points, so this is Pn and this is Pn minus 1, and we have this line, which is, so this can be written as the difference of between these two. So Pn minus Pn minus 1, this will be equal to minus of Pn minus 1 plus Pn minus 2. So we add this Pn minus 2. So if we want to minus Pn minus 2, so in that place we can write half of Pn minus 3 minus Pn minus 2, the midpoint. Okay, so this, so it will be equal to, so now consider the length. So this is the base of the area of the triangle. So if I consider that ln be this length of the triangle, so ln can be written as this capital of ln, L of n is equal to minus of ln minus 1 minus half of n minus 2. That will be the n. So here we have the final product as this. So which will be, so if this Pn of into Pn minus 1, or if we consider as the area of the triangle formed by the points, so these 2 points Pn minus 1, Pn minus 2, so now we have this ln cross of ln minus 1 is equal to, so minus of Pn n minus 1 and plus Pn minus 2, so it will be 0 minus half of this, it will be ln minus 2 cross of ln minus 3. Okay, so if we multiply both sides by this half of ln cross ln minus 1 equal to, it will be 1 by 4 ln minus 3 cross ln minus 2. Okay, now the area of the rectangle, that is a of n, is equal to the half of a n minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 square a n minus 2. It will pull up, so 1 by 2 cube a n minus 3. So the last term will be to the power n minus 3a3. Now as you put limit n tends to infinity, it will be 0. So what we get, that as n tends to infinity, n tends to 0. So this proves our first, the area of the rectangle formed by the points Pn minus 1, Pn minus 2 converges to 0 as n tends to infinity, right? So this is proved. Now the point P9 lies on L. So that is B. Okay. So we have P9. So P9 we know is the midpoint of P7 and P6. Okay, which is P7 is the midpoint of P5 plus P4 by 2, and P6 is P5. P6 will be n minus 2, that is 4 and 3. Okay, so it will be P4 plus P3 by 2 divided whole by 2. So it will be simple as P5 plus twice P4 plus P3 divided by 4. So we can write P4 as the intersection, as the midpoint of P2 P1. So P5 plus P3 plus P2 plus P1 divided by 4. Okay, so P5 is nothing but, so P3 plus P2 equal to twice of P5, right? We know this. So from this can be written as, so that is, okay, so this can be written as 3 of P5 plus P1 divided by 4. Okay, so P9, from here you can see this divides the P1 and P5 in the ratio of 1:3. So P9 lies on the line joining P1 and P5. So this proves our second option, that is B. Point on the, so P1 and P5 all lies on the line L. So this also proves our point